promise that I am yours and you are mine. Hey, hey, now you are mine.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I just wanted to show you guys a quick detox drink that I thought was very simple for you all to do. 1, 2, 3, and all you really need is 2 items, some aloe and also some grapefruits. This is very simple, and I must say that it really did take care of the job. So if you're looking to lose about 2 or 3 pounds or just get rid of some excess fat, go ahead and take this detox drink. It's really good. It's not that bad to be honest, but I'm just gonna let you guys watch the video, and I will see you guys in my next video. So we just got home from working out, and now we're gonna drink the grapefruit with aloe. Okay. It wasn't actually bad. I didn't really taste the aloe because the grapefruit is really, really strong. But so that's a good detox drink. Hopefully it kicks in by the night, if you know what I mean. So yeah, so just try the grapefruit and aloe. Like I said, it wasn't bad. It doesn't taste bad. I really didn't taste the aloe. Maybe I didn't put enough aloe. It's good. It's refreshing, especially that I just came from the gym. It is extremely refreshing. It feels good. So try it out. Comment down below. Let me know if you like it. So I will see you guys all in my next video. Ciao.